Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to this introductory course about the brand new whiteboarding tool called FigJam. Figma just yesterday announced FigJam amongst other exciting new releases as upcoming audio chat, the insane amount of 500 possible coworkers in one file, or a completely new mobile app on the first day of their own conference, Config 2021. So Figma published FigJam as a free public beta which everyone with a Figma account can try out right now. And they really wanted to bring everyone who's already using Figma over to FigJam from other whiteboarding tools which they currently might use as Miro, Freehand, Mural or else. My name is Max. I'm currently working full-time as a senior UX designer and researcher in Germany, and due to what I do for a living, I'm spending quite some time with whiteboarding software. I have to say that my main focus has been on Miro up to now, but to be honest, I'm not sure if that will remain like this since FigJam is looking really good already. I think they did a really good job at making use of their potential with already having a great performing browser-based collaborative open canvas design software and creating a lightweight brainstorming and workshop tool that is very accessible and great fun to use. In this class, I want to explain how to use FigJam and show how it connects to Figma while comparing it with the other big players in the field of whiteboarding software. This course is going to be great for everyone who's curious about FigJam and wants to know how all parts play together, and of course for everyone who's interested in whiteboarding software as such, for example, product managers, user experience designers or user researchers. So if this sounds compelling to you, I would be very happy to see you in the first chapter of this class. Thanks for watching the intro and see you in a bit. Bye.